I know this one.
It's all retarded. Yeah, you sent us lyrics.
7 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal, seeing everything the time is going, ticking on and on. Everybody's running. Get the bus stop, gotta catch my bus. I see my friends in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat can I take? It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, yeah! Partying, yeah! Fun, looking forward to the weekend. Highway crushing fast, I want this time to fly. Fun, think about fun, you know what it is. I got this, you got this, my friend rap to my right. Hey, I got this, you got this, now you know it. In the front seat, sitting in the back seat, gotta make my mind up. What seat can I take? It's Friday, gonna get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday, gonna get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, yeah! Partying, yeah! Fun, looking forward to the weekend. Yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday. We so excited, we're gonna have a ball today. This Saturday and Sunday comes afterwards. I don't know, I don't want this weekend to end. RB, Rebecca Black, so chilling in the front seat, in the back seat. I'm driving, cruising, fast lane, switching lanes, but I don't know. Something both.
The words.
Oh. It's Friday, gotta be on Friday. Oh, here's my good looking. And partying, yeah! Partying, yeah! Fun, looking forward to the weekend. Day Friday, gonna get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday,
Someone came down.
getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend.
I don't know what that is, but hi.
Partying, yeah! Partying, yeah! Fun, looking forward to the weekend.
You've been so
Friday!
You did not like the whole
I'm so tired now. My breath, I'm like out of breath. Hey, look it. So,
I want to see the video.
oh. Fine then, Mo. Really?